Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jamie, and on this channel we cover all things luxury handbags, neutrals, and elevated style. If you like that type of content, be sure to like and subscribe. You can also find me over on Instagram where I'm styling my brown and beige handbags. And with that, let's get started into today's topic. I am revealing my very first Thoreau handbag. I'm going to reveal the bag, show you a couple of the key features, and give you some of the background on my purchase. Okay guys, let's get right into the video. Now last week I shared with you guys my 2024 luxury wish list. I'll have that linked for you guys below. And on that wish list, I had two row bags, the Margot tote as well as the Park tote. Now, can you guys guess which one I picked for my first reveal of 2024? Leave it in the comments below. Okay guys, here we go. I am so excited to reveal to you my very first row bag. And it's the Park tote. This is the north-south medium size in this beautiful chocolate brown. I don't think you can get more Jamie casual bag from the row than this bag. In full transparency, I did have to find this particular size and color on the pre-loved market. And then I followed up with Authentication services, which I will link some of them I recommend below. So why this handbag? I have more classic structured handbags in my collection, so this was definitely a welcomed addition. In the last year, I've been slowly adding more casual bags. I wanted a handbag that would give me some options when it came to the casual and comfortable category of my collection. When I seriously thought about the purchase for this Park tote, I knew that it would contend with my Picotin bag. Now, if you recall from my most used luxury handbags of 2023, this Picotin bag, it made the top 5. This is a top handle handbag. It's beautiful, it's functional. However, that Park tote has a great shoulder strap, and that is something that simply this Picotin bag is more limited in that way. The Park tote seemed like the perfect grab and go type of tote. It's beautifully crafted and functional. And with that, I thought it was worth investing in my collection. I want to quickly go over some features, starting with sizes. The Park tote in the north-south style comes in 3 different sizes. You have a small size, which I felt was too small, especially if I wanted to fit on my shoulder, the medium size, which is what I have, and the large size, which felt too big on my 5'2" petite frame. So the medium size just felt like the perfect size. Now, when it comes to dimensions, we are talking about 11 inches in the height, and then it has 13 inches in this width here, and then 6 inches in the depth. There's no zippers or compartments on the inside of this handbag. It's pretty much an open space. And when it comes to closing the handbags, you do have these 2 interior toggle, they're like thin leather strips that you can tie, but it's certainly not going to be your most secure handbag. So things could come out of your bag if it falls over. So think about the security of your things when you are looking at the Park tote. Otherwise, there's no feet on the bottom, and we do have this great shoulder strap. I will say it feels pretty nice, secure on my shoulder, and I do like how it's a flat leather strap. Now, when it comes to colors, I found this one in the brown, deep chocolate brown color. On the row, you can find it in like black, ivory, cognac, or dark taupe. Again, those were colors I wasn't really keen on. And I knew if I wanted this chocolate brown, I would have to find it, and with great luck, on the pre-loved market. Let me know if you guys would be interested in a first impressions in a comparison with some of my more casual handbags. That is it for this reveal. What did you guys think of my Park tote? I'd love to get your thoughts in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care.